Now, it's no secret Amsterdam is full of beautiful ladies, even outside the red light district. Given how much Dutch ladies love their national flower Tulip, I think there is one place you need to go to increase your chance of a successful hookup.
So for those of you who's going to ask a lovely Dutch lady for a date, this floating flowers market is a perfect place for you to come and pick up the beautiful bouquet of flowers.
The flower market has a long history dating back to 1862, so I'm certain these local florists will know the perfect flower for your Dutch date. These flower stalls stand on a houseboat moored on the edge of Single Canal and invoke the old days when the market was daily supplied by boat. Then, flowers and plants were sold directly to a customer from the boat. The modern day market is actually comprised of fixed barges and heavily focused on tulips, synonymous with the Holland since the Dutch Golden Age 400 years ago when they were first imported from the Ottoman Empire.